How to fix NFC is not working in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on connections and here you can turn on your NFC mode. After turn on your NFC mode, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store. On top right corner you can see the account. Now click on your account and then click on manage apps and device and click on updates. Now here you can update all your apps. After update all the apps, then go back and open settings. Scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.